Hi there, this is AniBusiness with your friend Simeon. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let me tell us something quick in this very video. Okay, it's regarding pig feed. So we are going to discuss about it real quick. I noticed that a lot of farmers don't use additives in their feed. Some people will just buy PKC, buy cassava peels, mix it together and feed it to their pig, and they'll be expecting good result. Because they say if the cost of feeding or cost of raising is lower, you will make more profit. Now you decided in your mind not to provide quality food or rich feed for your pig. Okay, so you now started buying cheap something for your animal to eat, and you are expecting results in no time. It's not going to be possible now. It's what you give to this animal that they are going to give you in return. Now, what are the additives that I'm talking about? The additives include methionine, lysine, premix grower, toxin binder, enzyme, DCP or limestone, or bone meal, or any other calcium source you have. So ascorbic vitamin is there, then salt. These are the minerals or other additives like ingredients that we include in our animal feed, which make it a concentrated one, a rich feed, a complete feed for your animal. But most of us, we don't do that. Now today I come to show us another additives that you can add to your animal feed. Of course, people have been using it everywhere, but not everybody is supposed to eat. So I'm just buying this and I'm supplying it to one of my clients, and that is why I want you all to see it. So in case you need it, you can reach out to me. This customer stays in Enugu. He always order for all these additives. He doesn't formulate feed or do feed without reaching out to me or without buying all these additives, and that is what I want to show you too. So this is probiotics. Of course, I know you that is watching me, you may be exposed to it. You might likely have seen it before. But if you haven't and you are seeing it for the first time, this is probiotics. We call it probiotics. So it's one of the additives we use in our animal feed. What does this thing work for? This thing is just like antibiotics. So instead of you injecting your animal with antibiotics time to time, so you can buy probiotics and include it in their feed. You mix everything together thoroughly. When you are feeding it to your animal on daily basis, they are taking antibiotics. So this is what most people don't know. What does probiotics does to your animal when you feed it to them? Number one, it enhances growth, okay, and it utilizes the breaking down of feed. So you help them to break down feed and also absorb nutrients from the feed they are eating. Okay, it also helps them to drink more water. It also strengthens their immune system. Like if their immune system are strong, then they will have resistance to disease. Okay, whatever diseases that is coming around, then it will help them to tackle against it, and you won't have to be treating one sickness or the other at the farm. It also enhances growth, just as I said. So this particular thing does a whole lot of things. It does a whole lot of things. So this is probiotics. Not everyone is using it. If you are not getting it in your area, you can reach out to me. I will waybill it to you. But if you don't trust me, please don't message me. Don't message me. I don't want to, not until I receive it before I pay you. I don't do anything like that here. You can check my channel. I have never scammed anybody before. I don't want anything trust issue here. I haven't scammed anybody on my channel here before. Yes, we might have one little misunderstanding over one thing or the other, but I make sure I supply or I make sure I rectify whatever the problem is. So I am not the type that scam anyone, and a business doesn't scam anyone. In as much as you are speaking with me, I don't scam anybody. So if you want the probiotics and you are not getting it in your area, you can let me know. This is Nigeria. Fake ones are much outside. It might not come in this form because we have different company producing it, all right, but this one I ordered it directly from the company, directly, not coming from store or any buyer outside that they will say they've exchanged whatever thing that is inside. You can see well sealed. See, well sealed. So you can check it. No any this thing anywhere. See the label. You can see this is probiotics. See, it's probiotics. You can see it there. So if you need it, reach out to me anytime. And if you need other stuff like what is it called, ascorbic vitamin. Ascorbic vitamin is not the regular vitamin you get outside, not the one they package inside this thing like this. Ascorbic vitamin on its own is different. We have premix grower. Premix grower also is packaged like this. But if you check other videos, you will see it. I don't just want to bring it along because this is what my focus is all about in this video. So If you need it, reach out to me. That is what it does. You need all these materials inside your feed to enhance the growth of your pig at the farm. See, in pig farming, you have to spend. If you are formulating feed for your animal, you have to spend. You have to give them something good. It's just like you raising a child. You as a father or a mother raising a child, and the child is not feeding well or eating good food. There's no how the child can grow or get robust or have fat in their body. You understand? So you don't need to manage feed for your animal. Buy them good feed, give them something that is good, and you'll be good to go. So that is that about the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.